Today we are going to learn how to solve linear equations. So these are equations that involve a variable like x, y, a, or b. It doesn't matter, but it's a variable, it's unknown. And then they make a straight line when we graph them. So today our focus will be on solving them step by step. So let's get started. Let's start with the description of a linear equation. So a linear equation looks something like this. 2x plus 3 equals 7. So here the main goal is to find the value of x. To do this, we need to isolate it. We need to isolate x from the other terms. So it means that we want x alone on one side of the equation. So we will try to make some practices on how we can do that. So let's start with an example. Let's start with one-step equations. Let's say we have x plus 5 equals 9. Remember the main goal. The main goal is to get x alone on one side. So we need to get rid of 5 here in the given expression in this case. So to get rid of 5, we will need to apply the inverse operation that is applied in the current version, which is minus. So because in the current expression, in the current equation, x plus 5, the inverse of plus 5 will be minus 5. So we need to subtract 5 from both sides. So look at the left side now. So we have plus 5 minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5, 0. So they're cancelled out. I have only x on the left side. And on the right side, I have 9 minus 5, which is 4. So x equals 4. That's the main idea. That's the main goal of solving linear equations. Let's do another example. Let's say we have 4x equals 20. So we have 4 times x. Again, to get rid of 4 here, we need to apply the inverse. So it's 4 times. It's multiplication. The inverse of multiplication will be division, which means that to get rid of 4, we need to apply division to both sides. So we need to divide both sides by 4. Look at the left side. 4x or 4 times x divided by 4. So x is multiplied by 4 and it's also divided by 4. So there is no effect of 4 here. So we have only x on the left side. On the right side, we have 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So x equals 5. So now let's look at two-step equations. When we need to apply two-step operation, it's called two-step equation. So let's say we have 2x plus 3 equals 11. So we have multiplication in the equation, 2 times x, and we have addition, plus 3. So let's start with getting rid of 3. It's plus 3. To get rid of that, we need to subtract 3 from both sides. So look at the left side, plus 3 minus 3, they are cancelled out. I only have 2x equals, on the right side, I have 11 minus 3, which is 8. So now I have 2x equals 8. Then the second step will be dividing both sides by 2. Why is that? Because x is multiplied by 2. The inverse of multiplication is division. So divide both sides by 2. Look at the left side, 2 times x divided by 2. So 2's are gone. I have x on x on the left side, and on the right side I have 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So x equals 4 in this case. So let's do another example. Let's say I have x over 4 plus 2 equals 7. Again, we have two operations to make to isolate x. Let's start with getting rid of 2. It's plus 2. I need to subtract 2 from both sides. So look at the left side, plus 2 minus 2, they're gone. I have only x over 4. And on the right side, I have 7 minus 2, which is 5. So x equals 4 equals 5. The next step will be multiplying both sides by 4. Why is that? Because on the left side, x is divided by 4. So the inverse of division will be multiplication. So times 4 times 4. If we look at the left side, I have 4 times x divided by 4. So 4 is non-effective here. So x equals 5 times 4, which is 20. So now we got that x equals 20. So let's do some more complex examples. Let's say I have an expression 2 times x plus 3 equals 10. So in this expression, I have parentheses additionally. So the first step will be getting rid of the parentheses. So how to do that? We will use the distribution property, distributive property. So 2 times x, 2 will be distributed into the parentheses. 2 times x will be 2x. 2 times plus 3 will be plus 6 equals 10. Now I can subtract 6 from both sides to get rid of 6. On the left side, plus 6 minus 6, they are gone. I have only 2x. And on the right side, I have 10 minus 6, which is 4. So the expression becomes, or the equation becomes 2x equals 4. So the next step will be division. So I need to divide both sides by 2. So left side 2x, 2 times x divided by 2, 2's are gone. I have only x on the left side, and on the right side I have 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So x equals 2. So another example. Let's say I have 3x plus 2x minus 5 equals 10. So I have x's on different terms, so I need to combine them. Let's combine the like terms. 3x plus 2x, it's 5x minus 5 equals 10. So next step will be plus 5 plus 5. So left side, minus 5 plus 5, they are gone. I have only 5x. And the right side, I have 10 plus 5, which gives me 15. So I have 5x equals 15. So 5 times x equals 15. So the next step will be division. We'll be dividing both sides by 5. So left side, 5 times x divided by 5. So 5's are gone. I have only x. And the right side, 15 divided by 5, which is 3. So x equals 3. So let's do one more example. I have 3 times x minus 2 plus 1 equals 13. I can start with the distributive property. I can distribute 3 into the parentheses. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times minus 2 minus 6. There's plus 1 in the expression already. Plus 1 equals 13. So let's combine the like terms as the next step. 3x minus 6 plus 1, which is going to be minus 5, equals 13. Next step will be adding 5 to both sides to get rid of minus 5. So I have 3x on the left side, and on the right side I have 13 plus 5, which is going to be 18. So now I have 3 times x equals 18. So divide both sides by 3. On the left side, 3's are gone. So I have only x on the left side. And on the right side, I have 18 divided by 3, which is 6. So x equals 6. Another example. I have 5 in parentheses x minus 2 minus 3 in parentheses x minus 1 equals 14. So let's use the distributive property. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times plus 2, which is plus 10. Minus 3 times x minus 3x. And again, minus 3 times negative 1 minus 1. Minus times minus or negative times negative will be positive. So plus 3 will be 14. Then the next step will be combining like terms. 5x minus 3x will be 2x. Plus 10 plus 3 will be 13 equals 14. Next step, we'll be getting rid of plus 13 by subtracting 13 from both sides. So plus 13 minus 13, they are gone. I have 2x on the left side. On the right side, 14 minus 13, which is 1. And as the last step, I can divide both sides by 2 to get rid of 2 of 2x. So I have only x on the left side, and on the right side, I have 1 over 2. So x equals 1 over 2. So let's do one more example. 2 times x minus 1 in parentheses plus 2 equals, divided by, 3 equals 4. So let's start with getting rid of 3. So it's in division. I need to multiply both sides by 3. So let's multiply this by 3 and that by 3. So if you look at the left side, 3 times the expression divided by 3. So 3's are gone. On the right side, I have 4 times 3. So the expression becomes 2 in parentheses x minus 1 plus 2 equals 12. So let's use the distributive property. 2 times x will be 2x minus 2 plus 2 equals 12. So I have minus 2 plus 2 on the left side. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So they're gone. I have 2x equals 12. So we know what to do. 2 times x, we will divide both sides by 2. If you look at the left side, 2's are gone. So I have only x equals the right side, 12 divided by 2, it's 6. So x equals 6 in this case.